Let me show you how you can make $30 per 5 seconds. Go to that website invideo.io and create a free account. From the category drop-down menu, select Product Video Ads. From the videos that are shown here, just select any one you want. Let's say this one. You will see the animation and you have the right to choose the size of the video. So for Instagram videos, choose this one. After choosing your video, you will see the full panel with different options to actually edit the video. You can upload new photos and change the words. You can edit all parts of the video. When you're happy with your video, press download and share. Next, go to fiverr.com and type in product ad video Instagram and look at the prices. Some people even list their Instagram product video ads for 30 euros. To watch me over how I create such videos in literally 5 seconds, then go to my YouTube channel and watch the full video. Follow me, like this video and share it.